ottimo palco, ottima musica, sono veramente contento anche dell'organizzazione. Speriamo di esserci magari il prossimo anno se c'è un'altra kermesse uguale, insomma.
Try today, feeling down where you're on when I kick yourself with all my heart. I need to love what I'm using on my own, but she's so cold, she will be last. Then anytime you say the word, when I was very young, living ecstasy, the war inside. I need to love what I'm using on my own, but she's so gone, she will be last. Try to be